Hello, welcome to India's World. Okay, today I want to talk about there, and there. The first there is like over there. Spell T-H-E-R-E. It's kind of like telling you where. Like that chair over there. Or the speaker over there. You see how I use the word T-H-E-R-E? The second there is a contraction, which is really they are, which is spelled T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. Like they're gonna do what they wanna do. And I know they're crazy. And the third there shows possession. Like that's their car or that's their house. T-H-E-I-R. There you go. And if this video helped you, please give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button. And before I go, I want to give a big shout out to Myra Gist. E for education. Okay, bye. Thank you for coming to India's World.